It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
No, you munchkin. I'll see you in bed, okay? I'll be right back. Jesus Christ, it's hot. Oh, super hot weather. GoPro. Oh. Sheesh. Is that a clean Mark 7? GTI? Oh my god. Oh, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you're new here, we do Mark 7 GTI content, we do Mark 6 Jetta content, we're building that car on the channel, we're building this car on the channel, we go fast, have a good time, we do mods. If that's something that interests you, go down there, hit that subscribe button, join the family. We're growing fast, we're on that journey to 1,000 subscribers, and we are coming close. We're 10 away from 900. I'm like 40 hours away from 4,000. We're killing it. All right, that's a wrap. All right, so today I'm changing it up a little bit because I haven't done this before with this car, and I thought it'd be really sick because I put it as an Instagram poll forever ago, and I was gonna do like 0 to 60 polls, but I kind of just want to do like one good one. Like we're gonna rip for I have like a couple hours, so I have to go pick up Meg from work, and until then, I figured we could find a spot that would be good that we can do like a 0 to 100 rip. Of course, this spot is a sanctioned area where I am allowed to do it. I just want to do it. I want to see how it does, and it feels so good. Like if you don't know, like just like a first, second, third, fourth rip just feels like, it feels so good. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna riff for the day. I got the GoPro. I got this camera all mounted up with like a big suction cup steady cam thingy. So we should be able to get some pretty cool shots. So I'm gonna set everything up and see what I can get, where I can go fast legally. Let's get it. Also, the Meet New England and Cars and Coffee video just went up. I just barely put that up, and filming for this one. So if you made it to Cars and Coffee yesterday, I tried to get everybody leaving and try to get as much as I could in the video. So that's live. Go take a peep. It's hot as fuck out. I don't know if she'll be cold enough for a cold start. Okay, a little one. Oh, welcome to the cabin. Oh, it is hot as fuck out though. That was the only thing that was like terrible about the show yesterday is it was literally, oh god, it was 95 to 101 all day. It was just like terrible. Spot that we'll be able to do it, hopefully. Dude, I literally left the house for 2 minutes. I've already had 2 people lay on the fucking horn at me. Somebody went by and they're like, "Go Reds for Kenya!" And somebody just went by in a white Jeep and like laid on it. What's good? Section of road that I've chosen is like just enough. So I'm gonna go quietly this way. We're gonna whip around, turn that camera on, turn this one on, just fucking. I'm only really gonna get one shot at this, so we gotta do it good. I'm gonna keep this GoPro here, and then when we rip around later, I'll put it up here, like somewhere you guys can actually see things. Hopefully the footage comes out okay on that one because it's not on like the most stable mount in the world. Be able to launch out of this spot, but whatever, just end it. Let's do it. Traction off. All day, baby, all day.
wish I could get this thing on a drag strip. Oh my god. Not because it would do good, but just like the feeling that I know it gives you. This would do awful on a drag strip performance-wise, but goddamn. You know, it's like a good feeling, just like... Missing third. Noob! Ripping, boys, let's go! Off the camera. Get out the way, motherfuckers. Like a 40 to 80. Yo, did you hear it when it bounced like that? I went by that truck so fast, dude. It bounced off his truck and like hurt my ears.
Excuse me, sir. You can go right on red.
Oh, is that a Golf TSI, my guy? As though he does not want the smoke. Trying to give you guys all the good angles today. Trying to switch it up and make sure, like, I want to get another GoPro, that way like I don't have to keep moving it around, but I like giving you like as many different angles for you guys as possible, so like the video's, you know, exciting, fun to watch, feels like you're in the car, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna grab a bev, I'll be right back. Don't even try to act like I was flying through there, you dickhead. The lady just like should we get one more for the boys? Woo! Go down there and hit that like button, bro. I tried to like modulate I tried to modulate throttle a little bit on first so we didn't spin. That worked pretty good. So good. It just, bro, I could be having the worst day ever, and then like if I just go rip, do a couple pulls, just hear it, feel it, like drive, clears everything out of your head, dude. Or like, you know, like music for some people, or like art for some people. Whatever it is, do it. Do what makes you happy, my guy. Don't waste fucking time. You don't have forever. You want it? Go get it. If you don't modify your car, don't talk to me. If you're okay with stock parts, don't talk to me.
No.
I was just kidding. You don't have to film. We picked up Meg.
Okay, I was just editing the. Okay, I was just editing the video. Realized I didn't make an ender. So this is a really quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was super sick. It was super fun. It's not super crazy, but your boy's on the grind. We got to keep pumping that content, you know. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, I'm so hyped. Love you guys. Keep it real. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Just keep driving. Your boy will catch you in the next one. Peace.